Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's episode, we'll be grilling shrimp. Very easy, very simple. Before I go into it, let me show you the recipe. Let me show you the ingredients that I have. Over here, I have grilled paprika, I have seasoned salt, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. So over here, and I have the vegetables over here we'll be grilling as well. I have white onions, and I also have a red onion, zucchini, bell peppers, and one squash. So let me put my gloves on. Into the shrimp, I'll be adding a little bit of olive oil. And now I'm going to the seasonings over here. Cayenne pepper, seasoned salt. Okay, let me give it a stir. Let me start with the sweet peppers. Just cut them into 4 parts. I'm using the white onions. The same process. Into 4 parts. Next is the zucchini. Just about an inch, the zucchini. Now I'm cutting down. I'm cutting the squash, but at least an inch thick. At least about an inch thick. Yeah. Now to the bell peppers. Across, then get slicing on it for the inch thick there. Okay, I'm using the bamboo skewers that I soaked in water for close to 20 minutes. Then I'll start putting the vegetables and shrimp through this. I got different colors pepper because I just like the way they look. It's colorful. Put some in here because I need to break it down to see what I'm doing. The squash, the zucchini, and I have the onions in the bottom. So we just separate it so that all the every skewer can get all the same goodness. Okay. So I have the onion. Here. I add the mushroom. And the zucchini. I'm going to add a sweet onion. Place it in here. We'll go to the next step. Okay, we're done skewing the vegetables and the shrimp on the skewers. So I'm about to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. So don't go away, grab a snack and we will be right back. Okay, I've already put the first part in the oven and I'm about to show you what I did. I sprayed a little bit of oil onto it to keep it real moist. There you go. So don't go away, be right back with us. Here we are, the grilled shrimp is already done with the vegetables. It took about 15, like I said, 15 to 20 minutes. It's very delicious. It's a little bit spicy, so you can put any other flavors if you want. If you don't like spices, don't put the cayenne pepper because that's what I added to mine. But it's just a little bit of it also goes a long way. So it's really nice. I just tasted it along with the squash and the sweet, the bell pepper. And also the red onion. The red onion is already sweet. So try this. Let me know how yours went, if it tastes as delicious as mine. So, but if this is your first time tuning in with us, we ask you to please give us a big thumb up, click the notification bell, and every new video that comes in, you will be the first one to get to know. So if you're watching us for the first time as well, we also ask you to subscribe also. Comment, big thumbs up. Okay, until then, it's bye for now.